moves, it feels profound. A steady wave that spins around. A melody we all have found. The beat aligns, it takes control. It moves the heart, it fills the soul. Each tone connects to make us whole. A crafted sound that plays its role.
A flowing current shapes the day. It leads the way, it starts to play. The tones combine, they will not stray. A melody that finds its way.
The ground responds with every tone. A sound that lifts, it stands alone. Each wave ascends, it claims the zone. A force that carries what is shown. The layers build, they start to grow. Each tone aligns, it forms the flow. It moves the air, it starts to show a sound that we have come to know. The beat creates a vivid stream. A steady wave, a living beam. Each moment holds a lasting theme, a melody within the dream. Feel the current, let it rise, a wave of power that never dies. Flowing beats create the line, a melody that feels divine. It moves the ground, it claims the sign, a timeless sound we all define. Each wave of suns, it finds the air, a crafted sound beyond compare. The tones combine to form the thread. A steady beat, a path ahead. It fills the ground, it will not shed. A melody that breaks the dread. Each motion builds, it takes its place.